We were pretty late for dinner on Saturday because I was busy all afternoon trying to make a Japanese cheesecake, which looked pretty good at first sight but turned out to be a total failure. Luckily, I had defrosted some steak in the fridge the day before, so for a quick dinner, I decided to make some air-fried steaks, which turned out to be a success and made me feel much better about my failed cheesecake. Here I'm patting all sides of my steaks dry with paper towels. I got these from Costco and I believe they were boneless ribeye. They had just left the fridge for about 10 minutes. I should have waited about 10 more minutes for them to return to room temperature, but I was running out of time. I preheated the air fryer to 450 degrees, the highest setting. Okay, shh, I'm muting you guys. Again, I used my minimalist style in seasoning. Sea salt, black pepper, and some brown sugar. Just sprinkle and rub about 1/8 of a teaspoon on each side. The air fryer should be preheated by now, so I'm sending the steaks in. I set the air fryer at 450 degrees for 10 minutes. I realized that I'm missing some butter, which always seems to come with pan frying steaks, so I'm now cutting 2 thin slices of unsalted butter to be used at some point. 10 minutes is up. Let's see how the steaks are doing. Ooh, they look pretty good on the top. As expected, the bottom still needs some cooking. So I decided to flip them over and add a slice of butter on each. Sending them back in. For another 5 minutes at 450 degrees. While we wait, it's perfect time to prepare some green beans as a side dish. Just adding some olive oil in minimalist style. Cover the lid. And shake to mix. Time's up. The smell of something burning got me worried a little, but the amount of charring here looked just perfect. I was very tempted to cut into them right now, but it wasn't time to eat yet. It's time to let them rest a little while we cook the string beans. I almost always cook my vegetables in this air fryer at 350 degrees. String beans take about 9 to 10 minutes to cook. Just about the same amount of time I let the steaks rest.
1, 2, 3. Let's cheer for America. Hip hooray. Let's hear it for America.
记得的
Hip hooray. Let's hear it for America. Hip hooray. And then I'm not singing this part. I forgot this part. To sea, to shining sea. It's okay to brag and hold up our flag. It's here. Let's hear it for America. Hip hooray. Let's hear it for America. Hip hooray. Let's hear it for America. Hip hooray.
Now the steaks have been breasted and the string beans are ready. It's time to eat. I can see that the steak has lost some juice. I think I'll try to allow the steaks to fully return to room temperature before cooking next time to see if this can be improved. This looks somewhere between medium and medium well, just the way I like my steaks to be. I took a bite and it was really good steak. It was absolutely tender and juicy, and with the minimal seasoning, I could really taste the sweetness of the beef. Thank you for watching. If you've watched this far, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking experiments.